Good Friday morning. I'm Meteorologist Ted Schmidt. They're waiting for the sun. Here we are just a few minutes past 7:30 on this Friday morning. We've had some thunderstorms in the area. Quite a bit of lightning, not much rain. It was pretty weak by the time that line of showers came into Rochester around 1 or 2 o'clock this morning. And now it's all gone. The rain has moved out. We have some haze, a little bit of fog, some very kind of thin low cloud cover. We're going to see those clouds thin out here in the next few hours, and we'll have plenty of sunshine for the midday and afternoon. That's going to help us warm quickly. We have not been as warm as 83 since last Thursday. That's 8 days ago, but I think we're going to do it today. 83 the expected high temperature later as we look outside with our quality camera from Assisi Heights. Yeah, 80s today, and we're going to be right around 80 this weekend, but the weekend time frame, Saturday and Sunday, certainly looking a bit stormier with thunderstorm chances starting late tonight and then going off and on both Saturday and during the day on Sunday. Perhaps multiple rounds of storms in each of those days. So severe weather, a thought here that we're going to be talking about, and heavy rainfall in some of those storms. We could use the rain, though. The deficit now 7.7 inches. So you don't want all of it at one time, but there's a chance that we'll at least make a sizable dent in that deficit in a few spots. That is the possibility of that extra humidity building in and fueling those thunderstorms moving forward into the weekend. But today, clouds give way to sunshine. Just a light southwest breeze. Look for high temperatures around 83 around 4 or 5 o'clock. Sunset 8:27 this evening. Right now it's 65 in Rochester. A light northwest breeze. Dew point 64. Air pressure is rising. Across the map, a lot of mid and upper 60s. One of the warmest mornings we've had in a while. We were earlier this week in low and mid 50s, if you recall. That was all the way through Wednesday. But things have changed, and more of the humidity, more of the heat. That's going to be with us. 65 Rochester, 66 in Charles City. Clouds holding on. The showers have moved out from last night. In fact, most of those have fallen apart. But there's a storm system and a front drape just to our north. That's going to lift northward as a warm front. Behind it, more of a southerly flow is really going to kick in, and that's going to fuel those thunderstorm chances. The more humidity, more unstable air coming in, and that will set the stage for activity all the way through the upcoming weekend. Thunderstorms after midnight tonight. Marginal risk of severe weather. Perhaps a large hail in a couple of those storms, maybe damaging winds. But again, hail, the primary concern with late night thunderstorms or very early morning thunderstorms tomorrow. Afternoon, evening, we're looking at more storm chances tomorrow for Saturday. Level 2 severe weather risk, a little bit higher than tonight. And that comes in a time frame right now, 5 or 6 o'clock, maybe some strong storms there, maybe even a little bit earlier. There's a chance, depending on how things work out with sunshine and daytime heating. And then a heavy round of rain builds in. Looks like that low-level jet will kick in and around 10, 11 o'clock tomorrow night, Saturday night that is. Some heavy downpours of rain. We could see a couple of inches in some of the heaviest storms in that middle of the night setup for us. So we'll be watching for that. And then heading into Sunday, it's marginal risk, so slightly less severe weather environment, but still there is a chance. We're looking at large hail, damaging winds in the afternoon, and maybe some downpours of rain, maybe another inch or so by Sunday night. So grand total could be a couple of inches, maybe 3 inches in some spots in this weekend for the rain chances. Today, clouds hold on this morning for a bit longer. We'll see sunshine in the afternoon. Plenty of that warm sun helping us reach the low 80s tonight. Clouds come in, a couple of scattered thunderstorms midnight and beyond. Tomorrow, a stray storm or two first thing in the morning, maybe a couple of strong ones there. And then going to the afternoon, peaks of sunshine, and we see the more widespread thunderstorms late afternoon and evening. And there's that big, heavy glut of rain that comes in around midnight. Sunday features a couple of isolated storms in the morning. Then afternoon, again, eruption of more scattered thunderstorm activity in the late afternoon, evening, and perhaps into Sunday night as well, as that storm system that's moving through scoots northeastward into the Great Lakes, and we'll get a break from rain chances for a big portion next week. Small chances in the middle of the week, but for the most part, sunnier, warmer, quieter days ahead after Sunday. But today, some sunshine, mostly sunny after the morning clouds lift. 83 in Rochester, 84 in Austin, 86 in Charles City with that southwest wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, thunderstorms likely late, mostly cloudy, 65. And tomorrow, some storms perhaps early in the morning until maybe mid-morning. Another round of storms possible at some point in the afternoon. It could be mid-afternoon or late afternoon. And then in the evening, definitely a strong chance of thunderstorms and some heavy rainfall in some of those Saturday night storms. 80 degrees the high tomorrow. Southeast winds a little breezier. At times up to 20 miles per hour. Sunday, scattered storms, especially in the afternoon and evening. Monday, a break from rain. We'll have warm, humid weather at 86, and perhaps an isolated thunderstorm or two. Tuesday, late in the day, 85, and the same situation on Wednesday of next week. Slight chance of a storm there. And later in the week, some warm sunshine, not quite as hot, more seasonable warmth, low maybe mid-80s by Thursday and Friday. It looks like next weekend looks similar with temperatures right around the low 80s. Maybe some Sunday thunderstorms, and that would be on the 15th. That's looking down the 10-day outlook and some of our data we have here. In the meantime, be weather aware this weekend with those rain chances and even some heavy rainfall. We need the rain, just hopefully not all at once. That could yield some flash flood concerns in some spots. So we'll be watching for that. And in the meantime, enjoy the sunshine we're going to have here for our Friday. Have a great Friday, a terrific weekend. I'll see you right back here on Monday.